The natural gas composition. Okay, this is the composition of the natural gas. It's a mixture of combustible hydrocarbon compounds, and it is high in methane and some higher paraffins. So in this case, it can be divided into two, which is wet and dry, with different composition. For the wet one should be 84, which should be lower than the dry one. For the methane, 84.6, and for the dry composition, methane is 96. And the composition for ethane and propane and isobutane as follows. And it also consists of non-hydrocarbon, which consists of carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, and argon, with the respective composition. So for the hydrocarbon constituents, mainly it consists of methane and ethane, with a net heating value of Ng between 1000 to 1100 BTU per feet cube. And for the non-hydrocarbon constituents, it is consists of diluents, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and H2O vapor, which is a non-combustible gases that reduce the heating value. It also consists of contaminants, hydrogen sulfide, which is detrimental to production and transportation equipment, and obnoxious pollutants. So for the different terms for the natural gas is, it is called lean gas, as methane is the major constituent. It is called wet gas if it contains more than 0.1 gallon per molecular weight of hydrocarbon. It is called sour gas if contains hydrogen sulfide versus sweet gas if contains none of trace hydrogen sulfide, and residue gas, natural gas from which the higher hydrocarbon has been extracted, and it is called casing head gas from petroleum separated at separate facilities at the wellhead. So these are the different terms for the natural gas. And for the non-associated natural gas, it is found in reservoir non or minimal amount of crude oil, which is usually richer in methane, and it is preferable because can be produced at higher pressure. In the meantime, for the associated natural gas, it is a free gas, which is gas cap or dissolved gas as gas in solution of the crude oil, and it is leaner in methane but rich in higher molecular weight paraffinic constituents, and the gas must be separated from petroleum at lower pressure. In the meantime, for the gas condensate, it contains relatively high amounts of higher liquid hydrocarbon and often named as natural gasoline. It may occur in gas phase in reservoir but condense out due to pressure reduction during production. So next up is the heating value. It is found in reservoir 9. Next up is the no, this one. Sorry. Okay, this is the calculation of the gross heating value of the natural gas. So the gross heating value in the different unit, which is convertible according to this formula. For helium, for nitrogen, for CO2, hydrogen sulfide, CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, pentanes, and heavier this list. So that's all for the natural gas. All right, thank you.